Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to find and copy Mrs. ID on Discord. So if you also want to find and copy Mrs. ID on Discord, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I have opened Google Chrome. Click on the search bar and type www.discord.com. Press enter. You can see over here you will be led to the official website of Discord. Here you can see option for open Discord. All you have to do is click on it. Make sure you're logged into your account. So in order to copy the Mrs. ID on Discord, first of all you'll have to enable the developer mode. For that, go to settings. You can do that by clicking on the gear icon that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see several settings options. Scroll down. In the app settings option, at last you can see option for advanced. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see the advanced settings right over here. You can see developer mode. Toggle this button. Now go back. Now go to any chat. Now when you hover over the chat, you can see 3 horizontal dots over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now here you can see option for copy Mrs. ID. All you have to do is click on it. And your Mrs. ID is copied. So that is how you find and copy Mrs. ID on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.